So I am going to ask you a slightly tough spiritual question, but this is something I've always wanted to ask specifically
I
you.
love tough questions. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. I've followed you probably since I was 14, 15 years old. That's when I'd first discovered you. And I've constantly seen that you give out a lot of positivity. There's a lot of positivity in your voice with your intention, with your mission. And I would say the same thing for Sadhguruji. But also, when people, that question we spoke about how society will bracket someone like you, a yoga guru, as, oh, this person is a god man, or this, they put tags onto you. That has happened because there are other people who call themselves gurus. Like, I feel a true guru is called a guru by people. You never yourself say that, okay, I am a guru, I'm going to sit here and you guys be my shishya. The students always choose a guru. But in saying that, there's a lot of people who say that I will sit here, I will be your guru now, and they are the people who spoil the name of yoga, who spoil the name of spirituality in the world. And I also feel that that's happened because on the spiritual path, you are tested a lot. The moment you start spiritually advancing, you start advancing in yoga, God or the universe throws tests at you. The people who get past those tests are the ones like you, like Sadhguruji, who actually positivize the environment. But, sir, what goes wrong with the other people? Because people who have a bad name have spiritually advanced and somewhere they have slipped off the path. So, what happens there? And then they end up with a bad reputation or they spoil the name of yoga. Why does that happen?
Ranveer, this is there in almost every field. There was a businessman in Mumbai who sold plastics in the name of diamonds. Will you say the same thing for all jewelers in the country? If you do it, it's not right, right?
Yes,
So,
sir.
I say upward, some such, people do exist in all different fields. There are doctors who stole kidney, and
Yes,
if
sir.
you doubt every doctor to be a thief, kidney thief, then who will be suffering? Only you, right? So, among hundreds of thousands of sadhus and gurus on in this planet, in our country, handful of people have gone into scams, and this is out of their greed, or sometimes what has happened, a traditional seat, traditional peat of guru, and they appointed someone into that seat. They were not ready for it, and they were abhi bachkani rahi, they were childish, they did not realize the responsibility, they made mistakes, and for their mistakes you should have compassion for them. Well,
Yes,
this
sir.
guy has done this mistake. That mistake, anybody outside, anyone else would have done it also. Of course, if people on a responsible seat, if they do mistake, I usually say they should get twice the punishment as a common man would get. But these are very few in numbers. See, even Ravana took a sannyasi dress, saffron dress, to kidnap Sita. So
Yes, sir.
there has been a string of Ravana from that time. People, Vijayanagara Empire was finished by 5 sadhus. People, 5 of the Bahmani sultans, they dressed themselves as sadhus. They came and asked the king to come alone. When they came, they beheaded him. They said, I
Yes,
want
sir.
to speak to the king alone because we are sannyasis. So he went there, and in one day, the entire Vijayanagara kingdom was finished. In one day, without war,
Yes, sir.
in spite of having
Hmm.
1 lakh elephants and about thousands of elephants and 1 lakh soldiers. So these type of people are there in the world, and so, but luckily they are minuscule in number,
Yes, sir.
and so we had to take that also and move on.